Hey guys, it's Jasper, and in today's video, I will show you exactly how you can make your first 1K day as soon as possible without struggling and hustling too hard. As you guys can see, yesterday we achieved 1.3K GBP, which is around 1.8K USD. So in today's video, I will show you exactly what I did to make my first 1K day as soon as possible. And as you guys can see, yesterday we spent 500 euros on ad spend on Google Ads to achieve the 1.8K in revenue, which is great, right? But now you may be wondering, Jasper, how do you do this and what actually is the profit on this? Well, the first thing that I want to talk about is the numbers breakdown. So the revenue was 1785 USD. This is all converted back to USD, which means the ad spend of 500 euros is 550 USD. And the cost of goods is 368, which is one of the hidden gems on this store. As you guys can see, the cost of goods are literally really low on this store. On average, I think this is 17%. You see, like the ad cost and the cost of goods are very, very low on this store, which means we have ad spend 550, we have spent $368 on cost of goods, and we have spent 97 on the transaction fees, and then we have a total profit of $870, which means just not yet 50%, just under 50%. I think this is what, 48% in total profit with just making 1785 revenue, which is crazy, right? That's crazy. And the funny thing is, I did not manage the ad spend. I did not do anything, and I will show you exactly what I did. First thing that I did was finding products that are in demand. That's what I need. We're doing Google Ads dropshipping, no Facebook ads, TikTok ads bullshit. No, we literally want to have the lazy and the easy way of making money with dropshipping, which is Google. So one of the tools that I always recommend is Amazon's movers and shakers. As you guys can see, Amazon's movers and shakers, what I noticed, for example, here, is that it showed me this beautiful, I don't know how to call, long sleeve shirt with, it almost looked like a zipper, but this kind of long sleeve shirt, that's now the #1 selling product on Amazon's movers and shakers. That's what I noticed. That means probably this is maybe in trend. So what did I do? I checked with Google Trends, is this actually in demand? Well, as you guys can see on Google Trends, half zip sweater, it's going bananas right now. Look at the trend. Normally this goes up till the first week of December, and then it slowly starts to down. But now this thing is popping off like a maniac. This is insane. So this means this one is in demand. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna find competitors that are literally selling this product. And here we have a competitor selling on Google this half zipping jumper knitted. As you guys can see, this is the website. Looks beautiful. This is in the UK. This is perfect, like one of the best markets. And as you guys can see, they're doing a great job with their product listing. Then we can verify with SimilarWeb if they're making some money. And yes, they are making money. Look how the scale is going very well. This guy is scaling very quickly, which is great. So if this is your story, you're doing a great job. Even not that many products online as well, 400, which is great for Google Ads dropshipping. You don't need to have crazy product amounts and just still make some money. So then the next step, of course, is that we're gonna build and make this the money printer. And what I mean with that is, first of all, we collect all these competitors in our competitor tracking sheet. As you guys can see, I have a big competitor tracking sheet with all the stores in there, with all the revenue, with all the URLs. If you want to have this, make sure you subscribe to the channel. More than 50% that is watching this is not subscribed to the channel, so you need to be subscribed. Plus, you need to comment something nicely below, like, thank you, Jasper, for this video, and I will send you this sheet. And then, of course, we use the Copy app with the integration of ChatGPT. Soon we will launch our own AI listing tool with this. I think next week you guys will hear about it. But now we use Copy app, and this is all done by a product listing VA. So I don't list my products myself. You can still do this, right? You can still import the whole collection here, import multiple products. Then you just import it with like 50 products, and you just use ChatGPT to optimize the product description and optimize the product title. That's when you have everything done, and now the store is ready to launch on a campaign. And as you guys can see, the campaign, for example, this is my main store. As you guys can see, last year, or the full year, we spent almost 600K on ad spend, and we made 1.5 million back. This is 1.5 million USD, maybe 1.6 even. So that's all done by media buyer, and that's done for me with Icarus Agency. You guys can go to the website. The link will be in the description as well. If you guys want to work with the best media buying agency for Google Ads dropshipping, these are the guys to go to. I don't know anything about Google Ads dropshipping myself, like the ads management. I do know a little bit, but these guys are literally just making sure that I don't need to hustle. And then, of course, when they are literally printing the ads, that means that then the orders come in. And with the orders coming in, of course, they need to be fulfilled. And this is all done by a private supplier. Still, I'm not doing anything else. Like this is literally done by the private supplier. As you guys can see, all the orders are fulfilled, the tracking are added, and as you guys can see, all the orders are coming in. This is literally the first few steps that you need to do to make your first 1K day. Yes, of course, there is a lot of more steps coming after this, but making your first 1K day, let's recap it. It's pretty simple. You find products that are in demand with Amazon's movers and shakers, with Google Trends. Then you find the competitors on Google or even on Facebook ads. That's what you can do as well. You can literally type in men's zipper or hoodie, anything else in the Facebook ads manager, the library, and then you will find a lot of competitors having these products. You put them in a list, and once they are in a list, you use the copy app to put these products on your Google Ads dropshipping store. And then, of course, you're going to apply for the Google Merchant Center if you did not do that yet, and then you will get approved, and then you can launch the campaigns. And this is just a quick overview. If you want to have one big shortcut of making your first 1K day as quick as possible, but even able to scale to 5K, 10K days, then you need to join Freedom Achievers, the #1 community teaching you how to make 1K per day in 90 days with just Google Ads dropshipping. We are the #1 community right now on school. And as you guys can see on the wins, Martin made his first 1K day, which is amazing, which is huge for him. He's for a long time already in the community, and now he's making 1K day consistently, which is great. Sam is also making a good amount of money. Paul making his first ever 7K day. Gerard, this is crazy, doing 437K in the last 30 days. Insane, just with Google Ads. First sale in 24 hours. Here, Peter, this is also good. Like, look, this is how consistency looks as well. The whole month of November, the first 18 days, he's just making consistent 1K days and even made a 2K day here, 2.2-ish. And here you guys can see he's still making 1K per day on average. And he literally just says that he's not doing anything. And he is also managing the ads with Icarus Agency, as you guys can see as well, which is crazy. Jarnen had his first record day. Look at this, 11K Australian dollars, which is insane on one day. Yeah, first sale, over 1K day yesterday. People are literally printing, and this is why we have decided to launch Freedom Achievers 2.0 very soon. Literally in 4 days, if this video goes live, the Freedom Achievers 2.0 goes live, which means we're increasing prices as well. New up-to-date content, a 30-day sprint with me, and a lot of more bonuses. And as you guys can see, we're increasing our prices very soon to $349 within 4 days if this video goes live. If you're watching this later, then you just missed out. And we only have 29 spots because we only do this for the first 100 people that will join. So next 4 days or the next 29 spots, and then we will increase our prices. So if you wanted to join this community, this is your moment of literally thing. You need to take it. You need to take it. Well, and if you want to see how I did with this system 1.5 million, and you want to see a full case study how I did this, watch this video, because I explain from A to Z what I did to make 1.5 million USD with Google Ads dropshipping with only working 2 hours per week. See you in the next one.